So first, before talking with the NFT, I think everyone use the token, right? For the BTC or the Ethereum, for the Solana or something. It's called a fungible token. The token that you can exchange, you can transfer, and you can separate the coins. For example, if you have one BTC, it means that you have one BTC, and one BTC can split between the 0.5 BTC, 0.499 BTC. It's same as the money. Okay, so this what thing called a fungible token, the token that you can separate, and you can split and you can transfer to other people without any problem. Okay, and for the NFT is come from the non-fungible token. Non-fungible token is a token that define ownership of that token. So it's different than the token that we use as a currency, as the money that we can split. But for the art NFT token that you own, for example, I own this piece of art, I cannot split that piece of art and transfer to you. Okay, so we cannot transfer ownership. If I own this ownership, it means I own it. Okay, so why I bring the pictures to you guys, I want to say that this one is a basic for the blockchain. Every node in the network will collect the data that, hey, Mr. Mo and myself own the token, maybe numbers 92 DDF, something like this. It's a fingerprint. It's unique fingerprint that have only one token. Okay, and its owners, the owner is my public ID or the wallet. Okay, maybe that have a token name or something, or maybe have a token symbol or some data. Okay, so NFT is you own something, you own a token, and it cannot split. But actually, there is something that you can split. I can talk about it later. Okay, just you know that the basic of NFT is that you own something, you own a token. Okay, have some chat. Okay, thank you, Fabian. Okay, next. So the ownership of the token is mean that you can transfer the ownership as well, and it might be right in the next block. Okay, for example, user X transfer to the user Y. That is an example. Okay, maybe cost the 0.025 ETH or something. Okay, it can be record. It means that it's not only just JPEG on the database, right? So it's the blockchain that is immutable. Every transaction it will record in the chain, and no one can change it. Okay, so this one I want to try to talk about the foundation first before talking about NFT, how to investment, what kind of NFT or something. Okay. Let me open chat. Okay. Okay, so let's talk about this one is an ERC 771. Okay, this is the contract, smart contract that specific for the NFT. Okay, so what this contract can do: transfer NFT between account, identify total supply of NFT on the network. Okay, if you own it, and you can query for the ownership of the specific asset. Why you need to know for the ERC 721? I can say something like this: that if you know this keyword here as the smart contract that used for the NFT, right? So it means that you can double check on the BSC scan or the Ethereum scan or the Ether scan that, for example, if I found this one, invisible friend for the NFT, right? And I want to know that this person, Dark Knight 21, this person, how many NFT that they have. Okay, I can copy his address. and I can paste his address to here. Okay, for the Ethereum scan. Okay, address, click. After you click, you can see this one, right? That token TXN 721, this one for the NFT. Okay, so it will record everything in the blockchain that, okay, how you earn it, how or what kind of NFT that you have, and what time that you have in the blockchain. Okay, it won't change. And this person, he earned it, this one invisible friend. I think I can check it back. Okay, cool. So it means in the blockchain, if you relieve your address, actually everyone can check in the chain how many assets that you have and how many money that you have in the blockchain as well. Yeah. Okay. So this one is called the ERC 721. And next one is called ERC 1155. Okay, so this is a smart contract for NFT as well, but they upgrade some features. Okay, the first feature is that the batch transfer at once. The batch transfer at once is that for the previous contract, this one, we can transfer only one by one time. That means if we have a token for these pictures, if you want to transfer, it's the only one object. Okay, but it's not good for the game. Right now, game use the NFT as the asset in the item. For example, if we have the item for the weapon, for the maybe herb or maybe HP, MP or something, we don't want to pay the gas fee many times that we transferred or updated in the blockchain. Okay, so the purpose for the ERC 1155 is that we can do batch transfers at once. Okay, and another feature is very important is that fractional NFT. Okay, fractional is an NFT. I told you that NFT we cannot split between a token. But this smart contract, they can do some, we can sell one NFT and split it as a token. For example, if this picture is too expensive for us to buy or to invest, okay, so if that application, they use a new smart contract and they split these pictures to be 100 pieces. If they can split 100 pieces, so it means that we can split for the ownership in each the object. Okay, so for example, as a game, okay, if you have the game card and you have the card that call for maybe the weapon X, and you can copy, you can make the copy 100 copy for that card. Okay, so it means that fractional NFT is combined between fungible token and non-fungible token together. Okay, so the same thing, if you know the keyword for ERC 1155, okay, so if you check for this person and you click for the ERC 1125, so it means that you will know that how this is for the game. That's called ECIO Space Destroyer. So this game, they use this token or smart contract to store for the NFT. Okay, maybe for the item or something for the weapon. Okay. Oh, sorry. Next. So we should talk that why NFT is more than jailbreak. Okay, and right now is the crash of the right now 2022 March. We are still in the period that we have the crypto that crash. It make the game NFT crash as well. Okay, but if you looking at the digital art for the NFT, actually right now is a good time that for the investment. The price is going high, it's not crash and it's going higher and higher. Okay, And when the crypto market is crash, it means that you use less money for the fiat money or maybe your US dollar or maybe Thai baht or maybe euros to buy less expensive on that NFT. Okay. Many message. Wait a second. So why the NFT are more than JPEG? First, we have to say that NFT, we have the public history on the blockchain. I say that if we mint or we create an NFT, you will know that who created that, and if you transfer and how amount of the money that you transfer. Okay. The second one, NFT, many NFT have the use cases. Okay, so for the Ball F Yacht Cup, also have the cases that they have the event in New York. Okay, so if you own an NFT, you allowed to go to a warehouse party to meet the celebrity. And next one, and NFT is benefit directly to creators. Actually, it's a disruption for the world that we don't need for the middleman for selling for the art. Or if you have the skill, you have the same market as a world market that you can sell to anyone. Okay, and there is one case that these two girls on the news, she broke, she don't have the money, and she used the NFT and selling for the 6 hours, and she can use that money to pay the debt for their house. Okay, so this is hers. This is their NFT, this dark. Okay, you can take a look on the darks.com. This one. And this one is from Thailand. I want to say that I saw the real use case in the Thailand. I'm from Thai, and so I see a lot of use case in Thailand as well. Right now, Thailand have I think very interesting that Thailand have a lot of artists, really good artists, even the children as well. And this boy is only 9 years old. That he created art by himself. Okay, and he can sell. We take a look on his art. I think I found in the group that he tried to promote his work in the Thai group, and you can see that it's not only JPEG. NFT is really freedom for everyone, even if you are young or if you are a student. So you still have chance to publish your work. Okay. Let me mute. Wait a second. Okay. So this one is his art. Okay, nice digital. It looks really good, right? And right now, if you take a look on the good NFT, actually it's really good investment, even the crypto cash. And right now, you can check out many NFT right now. The price is going up. Many people use NFT for the escape way from the cryptocurrency that crash. They hold for the NFT. Okay. But you have to know that NFT is the velocity of the cash on the transfer, or someone you want to buy your NFT is a little bit low. So it means it's like an asset. It's not like the token that you can swap easier. You have to wait someone to buy your NFT. Okay, but many people interested in NFT because the value is not drop much. Except for the community is the not good, or the creator is not the good. So maybe community didn't trust that project. So maybe it's crash on that project. Okay, but good NFT is really good for the investment. So the three things from what I learned. Okay, the value for the NFT. First, collectible values. is that project, it can be collectible or not? Is it unique or not? Okay. The second one that I will check is about community values. Okay. How many people that trust and how many people that interested in that project. Okay. You have to take a look on the communities. Okay. So next, utility values. Any use case that you can use if you hold on that token. Okay. From last year, actually, when the NFT is booming, I think the collectible values and community value is very important. And after that, after the game NFT come, I think many people try to combine between the NFT and game and try to create a use case, try to create a utility value to the NFT. Okay. And right now it's a standard that you have to have the collectible values. The second one, you have to build your community. The third one, you have to find a way to use that NFT for something. Try to create the use cases. Okay. And so before you buy for the NFT, you have to think that you want the maximum profit or not, or long-term investment. Because I want to say that the NFT market is really interesting. Is that if you pick the wrong project, or maybe the community is not trust for the creator anymore, maybe your NFT cannot sell it. Okay. But if you pick the good project that you think that the creator still updated and community still support, so it's easier to sell. So it's different, the mindset between the trading cryptocurrency and investment on the game NFT. It's quite different. You have to check on the collectible values, community values, and utility values. So I have the trick, and this one I found I got from the one very popular from the NFT collectors. He said that you have how to select for the good NFT. I capture from his idea that you have to find a project that have original ideas. Once you, because right now many project is copy from other project. You have to find the original project that they have the original ideas. Okay. And next one, he had the trick is that try to not buy, you have to buy less than 0.5 ETH. This is a trick for him. Now, if you buy less than 0.5 ETH, it is okay that maybe you will get profit easier. Okay. Okay, I want to talk about case study. This one, I think from the last years, he's the artist. He created the art, and he push it on an NFT. And after that, he could record on the videos and post on the YouTube and how he burned the real original artwork. It means that only that token is represent on this art already. Okay. This one, I think everyone knows, because everyone knows from the news that for the Twitter co-founders want to sell his first tweets. Okay. The interesting is that I want you guys to see this one. We want to see the price. From last year's that have the news, I think it starts from maybe $1,000 or 1 ETH. Okay. And if you investment around last year's, maybe 7 ETH, and you can see right now it it come to 300 right now. Yep, the last one 1,630. So you can see that this is a proof is that NFT is really good investment just low liquidities. Maybe you post it for sales, but you have to wait for the, maybe you wait for the time that someone gonna buy it. But you can see from this one, you can see that the pattern is that if the some NFT is really popular and is really well known, I think it create a values. Okay, and this one is a proof. Or this one I think is appear on the news as well that this Indonesia he selfie every day for 2 years, and suddenly that may be news that cash on the news, and the people on the community buy his NFT. And we take a look. I think I created this PowerPoint around last month, maybe January, maybe 1 month. And this one is a for price between 0.26, okay, ETH. I want to check right now. It's around 1 month already. When I create this PowerPoint, I start to create last month actually. Okay, 0.26. Oh, interesting. It's dropping actually. For pi is 0.099. Okay, I think he's good. Okay. Oh, this project, Asuki, my brothers my brother introduced this project to me when it didn't launch, and when I doing this when I create this PowerPoint. Okay, this one is come from the digital art that are very famous, and the community the value is very high. Many people really interested in this project. Okay, when my brother talk about this project to me, I feel why you think that this NFT is so important, is so interesting. I didn't see anything that it should be interesting, and after I take a look on the video, I think I kind of to see why it's interesting actually. Let me open the Twitter. This one is a promote from the last month before they release. Okay, they create an NFT. They want to promote and create an NFT like this. And this project, they said that they want to create a metaverse or the avatar for this one. Okay. Oh, wait a second. Okay, close. Good. And I want to show the how they can sell for the bean, for the random gacha system that you can buy for the something that is like a ticket, or it's like the pack that you can open it, and it's gonna be random. Okay, the interesting is that the January 12th, they will have they have the floor price 1 ETH. They set up they set up for the floor price for the one ETH, and the price will drop by 0.05 ETH every 20 minutes. Okay, my brother said, "Oh, I have to prepare for the money for the 1 ETH," and in the end, he cannot buy it. Just maybe 1 minute, or maybe within 1 minute, 8,700 Azuki, that the package that you can random is gone. Okay, because the community level is really high for this project. Oh, and I think the resale on that time is around 2 ETH. Okay, this one I capture the pictures. The bean, they call this package, the random package, as a red bean, that when the time comes, you can open this the NFT and it will appear as the rarity of that NFT. Okay, so it start price for 1 ETH and it resell on that day to ETH. Okay, and right now, because it's around 1 month or 2 months already, and I want you guys to see the real price right now. Yep, for this one, this red print, I capture the URL link. This guy, is it lucky or not? Yes, for price is the 8 ETH. Okay. And this one is a project, Azuki project. Let us see the floor price. Floor price is the 8.99 ETH. Okay. So it means that come from the starting, if you can buy on the first day with the 1 ETH, you will be profit on the next day for the 2 ETH or 100%. Okay. And right now, just 2 months, or you will gain the profit around 800%. Okay. And this one is Adidas. You can see that you're gonna see the trend that the brand, many brand product, they want to create NFT and want to sell. And for the Adidas as well, they sell really quickly. And each NFT is cost 0.2 ETH and sold it immediately. And they claim that they will use this NFT for the metaverse. But we have to see that they can promise it or not. They can create metaverse or not. Right now is no proof that there is a utility of this project yet. Okay, this one is interesting as well. It's called the NFT world. That they try to replace NFT by the Minecraft, and they want to sell the land for the Minecraft. Okay, so you can buy the NFT by the land, okay, for the Minecraft. So you can use that land to invite the people to play on your metaverse. Okay. This one, the most expensive NFT. Okay. So this one is the most expensive right now. This ball. Okay, this ball. When I read this news and I try to research, okay, so it's something like this, that this studio is really famous, and they let allow to use the USD to buy the NFT as well. Okay, this is how they can change from the fiat money to the NFT. Okay, so the first day that they released last month, there are around 28K collectors. Okay, and there is this ball totally that they sell around 300K unit. Okay, so the first come first serve for this one, first come first serve that they release, they use the USD price, your fiat money for USD, to buy for each one 299. Okay, and it sold out immediately, and after that they sell it again for the 575 each. Okay, so this one is the first, this one is more expensive NFT that they want to combine the ball together, and the ball has the rarity as well. Okay, so you can take a look on this URL and you can open it. Where is his project? Wait a second. How did they change the website? Anyway, so this is the marketplace. They try to connect between the artist They try to be the middleman that you can buy the NFT by using the USD dollars, and you can verify that your name, and you can put the art here. Okay, so you can check about this one later. Okay, because we don't have time. Oh, this one, Wolf game from last year. This one is interesting. They try to create the NFT as it looks like a game a little bit. Okay, so they have a limit for the 10K sheep. Okay, and 10K sheep with the random rarities. Okay, that you can exchange for the sheep. Okay, it's not only the JPEG pictures. Okay, and it will random wolf 10%. Okay, so it means that, right, if you open if you mint this NFT, okay, you have 10% that you will got wolf as an NFT. So normally sheep can stake for the utility token. Okay, that's called the WOOL wolf. Okay, and wolf can buy another sheep or can create another sheep. Okay, and there is a limit supply for the 40K sheep. Okay, so wolf, if you luckily you got wolf, you can stake, and wolf will earn the tax from sheep around 20%. They try to create tokenomics. They try to create use case. It's not only you got the sheep or you got wolf and you cannot do anything, just transfer. They try to create some game logic inside. Okay, and the last thing is that wolf can steal the new mint sheep 10%. Okay, if you mint a new sheep by the wolf utility token. Okay, so wolf will get 10% that maybe you can steal the NFT. Okay, so last year there is one problem of this project, that we cannot say one hackers, maybe super users or programmers, they found a way that they can mint only wolf. Okay, so they found a way that if they want to mint the new ones, there is a 10% that they can mint for the wolf, right? So they can how to say, they can pre-mint, and they will check that this is sheep or wolf. If it's sheep, they will throw it away, or they will cancel the transaction. Okay, and dropping. Just we want only wolf. Okay, so they have to migrate the game and fix the problem. So this means when you invest the money on an NFT and there is a use case as a game, be careful as well, because there might be the risk from the smart contract. For 2022, I just try to summarize but there are so many NFT right now and so many use cases. I think I cannot talk everything. It's so super fast. Okay. This one is very interesting. Let me open. Right now, NFT is look like there's something that luxury things that you can brag that you own something. Okay, then you can brag. And this one is one guy portfolios. I think it said that the digital portfolio, digital asset that they can. Hey, everyone, I have this asset. Okay, enter the world. So you can see that if this room, his room, he have the real asset, and you can buy from him as well. You can take a look his art that he own it. Okay, and this one is very interesting. It comes from the sandbox. The sandbox is the price very high right now. The sandbox is project that related with the metaverse. When the Facebook release for the metaverse, sandbox is price going up very quickly. Okay, and the sandbox, this one is an NFT for the sandbox because it's a 3D. Okay, and they can put in their portfolio actually. Okay, so you can use this one as the metaverse thinking. I think we can go to another room. Where is another room? Wait a second. I think another room is here. Oh, I think this person have Asuki as well, because Asuki very popular right now. Have the War of Your Cup. So it means that in the future, if we have the metaverse, if the metaverse is really booming, it means that if you own something that very expensive, it means that it's the brag when you have the good house, when you have the good car or something, you can brag things in the metaverse. Okay, I hope that in the future maybe we found that, oh, this person he have a lot of very good asset actually, or he have two Asuki project actually. No, not two. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, that's good. So this one is the sandbox, so you can buy the 3D models that have some action, and you can play this model in the sandbox. It's like the metaverse for the VR. Okay, it looks like the game. Okay, you can take a look. This one, if you are interested to mint, by the end-to-end tutorial, or you can take a look on this the YouTube. I think I shared my PowerPoint in the WeChat group. Okay, so you can take a look later. Okay, if you want to mint something by yourself, if you have some skill as a developer, this YouTube is really good. You can mint on the OpenSea and you can create a libraries. Okay. This one is the news. Just happened last week or last 4 days ago. I think the many branded, and this one is happening in many branded interest in the NFT. And you understand that Japan have the culture as anime or the cartoon. Okay, so Rakuten released for the NFT marketplace, focus on the manga. Okay, and it's really crazy is that I captured this one just 2 days after they released for the market, and because of Rakuten used the Ultraman for the release first, and this one I have to use VPN. It blocked other country to access this website. Okay, I have to use VPN to get this data. Okay, so this one is how it look like. That you buy some package. It's the same thing that happened in the real world, that you have some package and you can open it and you got rare item or not, or you got just normal common item. Okay, same thing. You buy the package in this NFT for Rakuten and you can open it, that you got a premium or the rare or not. Okay. This one is quite expensive right now. Just only 2 days. Okay. So right now price is the 90k yuan, yen. Yeah. And this one is a sandbox. This one is a new project for the sandbox that I want to let you guys to see the videos. It's very interesting. It's an NFT. The same 3D models. Okay, but you will see that okay, it's very interesting that we can use this avatar as your avatar in the game as a metaverse. Let's open the website sandbox.game. Oh, it's gone. Oh, no, not gone. Okay, it's here. Okay, we take a look for the legendaries. So you can see that one NFT, we have the token ID that is a unique for this NFT. And this NFT you can change for the action actually. There is run, maybe dodge, or maybe attack. Okay. I think that there is ability as well for the powers, defense, magic, or something. So this kind of NFT is really interesting. Okay, they create utilities. As I said that there is three things for the value for the NFT right now, from my opinion. Okay, the first one, collectible values. The second one, you have to check for the communities. I think for this year, I think it's already that appears that they have to create utility values. Okay. Oh, this one already opened. And you can see that right now many artists from the game industry come to the world as an NFT as well. So it means that we will see more quality of work for the NFT this year. Okay, we might see the more, because I think that this market once booming, it will attract for the talent people from the game communities or game development to create NFT. Okay. This one is very interesting that you can buy NFT for in different chain. It's not limited on the only for the OpenSea, for the Ethereum. Okay, this one from the Thai guy, he create for the mint for the cat on years. You can support him. Okay, and this one is really interesting. I try to search for the NFT analysis tools. Okay, and right now many tools they create license and earn money by the ETH on the OpenSea. Okay, you can take a look if you are developers. So I think this is a good way, is that you don't need to use the Fed money to create a license. You can use the NFT as a license, as a software license. Okay, maybe lifetime license, maybe the renewal license. Okay, so in NFT right now is really have so many utilities that you can impact for the market. Oh, this one is really interesting. It will release the product the end of this year. But they already sell for the node already. It's a Gala, okay, Gala the token. The project is I think if someone know in the game industry for the game NFT, Gala game, they try to make themselves as a Steam. Okay, and right now because they succeed, so right now they want to move to the Gala music, and I read their project. There is a Gala movie as well. Okay, there is a new concept called the listen to learn. It means that if the artists have the music and they declare the music same as the NFT. Okay, so if you listen for their music, you will earn the money. Okay, and if you buy the their node, they will create a node that hold for the music if you buy the node. Okay, so if someone run the music inside of your node, you will earn money as well, and artists also earn the money as well, and artists might be earn a reputation. Okay, it means that everyone is win-win. Music, we need the audience to listen for the music, and music can transfer the ownership, and someone listened, you can earn a token. Okay, Kala music is really quite hype right now. Okay, you might be to take a look. Okay, I think next project is a Kala movie, or I'm not sure that they release it or not. This one, play to earn. Last year's, if the game NFT, maybe you might heard about the click to earn. Is that the website and you can click, and you can use and maybe access. That is a play to earn as well. And this year you will, because of the market crash, maybe we didn't talk much about the game NFT much because it's I think every game is really crashed right now. Okay, because of crypto. But you will see more the play to earn this year for sure. Okay, so you might not see the click to earn. And why I talk about game, because game is NFT. They try to use the game as the utilities. Okay, and let me show this one for this project for Titan Hunters. This one, the game, it will release for this month. This comes from the Vietnam companies, and this company, they create something called the Arrow, the game, the Arrow that very popular on the mobile, and they have more than 100 million download. Okay. No, I don't have no, Fabian, I don't have facilitate link. Okay, this one I just showing for the how a game look like. Okay, so this one is still on the beta test. So if you have the MetaMask, so you can play this game. Okay, so you have the item for the as an NFT. Okay, you have the item, and you can let him dress. Okay. Uh, I think we can mint the new NFT. I think they are, yes, they give us for free. I think. Oh no. Maybe not this one. Where is it? Oh, someone. Sorry, someone. Let me summon a new NFT. They changed the UI, Fabian, so I forgot. Okay. Let me see that how unlucky I am. Okay. Okay, it's common. Common. Oh, this one rare, but it's not common. Oh, this one rare. Okay. So I have two rare, I think. So let me equip. I can equip for the some item that I have. Where is my rare item? Wait a sec. Okay, cool. I have my let's play. Okay. So this one is run on the website. It's really smooth. Okay. So just try to. This one is play to earn. Once you play more stage, so you will earn more token. Okay. So it means that you have to pay. So it means that it's kind of entertain, and it's kind of the you can make the investment, and this is how the NFT can make the utility values. Okay. But let me close right now. I think everyone has the ideas. Tools. Okay. I list many tools here. Okay. So there is an NFT ranking. You can take a look on the tools later on my PowerPoint. You can take a look on ranking, which one is the good, the project, and what is the rank. And I think which one is interesting for me. This one is really good. Rarity tools. You can check for the rarity for the your NFT or rarity that how rarity of your NFT actually. Which project is good to open? And there are more. Okay. Oh, this one is quite good. So as I said that the community values, I found only this website that they will talk about the social trend on the NFT. So you check rarities and maybe you check for the social trend as well. You open this website and take a look on the social trend on the NFT that you want to invest first. Okay. I think below there is this one. Maybe you can see that the Discord members and Twitter followers, and you check about this is an increase or not, how many people that increase for that project. Okay. Oh, this one I cannot show because I don't have as well. This one many NFT investors they use. Okay, and it's super expensive. Okay, but if you are real investor, you have to use these tools. Okay, AI. They have everything for the NFT for analysis. Oh, this one is the trick for my brothers. I have to give credit to him, and he is right. Okay, so because I didn't use Discord much, but he tell me that you have to look at Discord and look at the server booths. Server booth is come from the community that they try to help to pay money for them. Okay, user pay money for the project owners to boost on the Discord. Okay, so you can see from the you can check on the Discord that how many people that boot on that project. For example, Gala game, okay, have a 223% that boot the Discord channels, okay, and Asuki as well. My brother say that Asuki is really good project because the members and how much the people that boost. So I don't understand in the first page, but after and you can see the result, the community is really strong and the price is going up and going up. And this one is indicator is that it proves that people love your project and want your project succeed. Okay. And you see my game. This game I'm interested have one boot. Okay. This game they quite promising on the development, but they didn't do any marketing yet. Okay. So you check on the community trust. Okay. And you can check on the Discord community that did they separate roles or not? Did they manage the Discord channel? Okay. But anyways, if they want to have some ability to adjustment on the Discord, they have to let the people boost on that project. Okay. And maybe you can check on the whitelist on the Discord. The good way for investment is come from the whitelist because the price is the very low. Okay. And you check that how many people that asking for the whitelist, and you can see a number for the like or something like that. That is a good indicator for the investment. This one and drop and release for the calendar. This one is good. That you can check for the rarities for the collectors for the collection, and you can check for the drop airdrop for the NFT. Okay, many project is free, and they give for the airdrop actually. So you can wait for the airdrop, and you try to get the whitelist for the airdrop as well. Maybe there is something that you have to do. Maybe follow the Discord, follow that Twitter or something. Okay, so this is the airdrop calendars. Okay, and take a look on the varieties. This one you can check price. This website you can check price that is it increase or is it decrease. This one you can check on by time. Okay, videos 50%, videos 72% or something. So you can check. And this one is NFT ranking. Okay, you can check for the ranking and you can check for the varieties. This one is an NFT calendar. And last one is a tool to take a look on ranking as well. I think every website that I use for the tooling, so I already put in the PowerPoint. Okay, so it's the end of the meetup. I think I used more time than I expected. Okay. Anyone have the question or want to discuss something here? Okay, cool. So thank you so much, everyone, to being here. So see you on the next meetup. If I can invite someone that and sharing in the communities. So thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.